Hey everyone. I wanted to show you something cool that I made. That it's not pretty, but it's a proof of concept and it's supposed to be fun. So hey, here we go. So this is an Electron app. There's going to be a release. I'll link the GitHub. It's going to be open source, but the idea is that with this, since all it takes is a Zatter to make a Zatter board, and since the Light client theoretically supports view keys, that we could make a pretty easy way to make and share ZEC Pages boards or things like them. So this is actually the ZEC Pages board, and we can actually click on it like it's a list, and it links us here, and we grab the transactions, and we see, wow, it's great. Hey, here's me. I'm doing this in a fresh new way. It's listed like that. There's a lot more room for nice styles, more metadata, I don't know, cool stuff related to amounts. I don't know. The sky's the limit. But let's make a post just for funsies. Here I am. I'm running this in the same directory as ZEC wallet CLI, so it's going to spawn a child process and make it happen for me. So let's do, hey all, say hi to YouTube. And let's add a comma, because we're smart. And we'll send just enough to make sure that Mike Harms guy don't get rich off that ZEC Pages site. We'll post, it's sending transaction. It bounces down here because I'm a bad developer and I made this quickly. And once it's done, it'll pop down here. It's not confirmed yet. If we refresh the wallet transactions, I'm not sure if it's there yet or not. I'm not super worried about it. But what's cool about this is it basically turns your wallet into a directory. All these would have like different posts. Posts here, I think it's returning only things with memos. I think I'm discriminating against memos right now. So we got some cool stuff. And then if you have an address you want to share, like let's say I want to make this my board to talk about Dota, because boy do I ever love Dota. I could export the view key. It goes and it grabs my view key, and I can share this and I can tell everyone, if you want to anonymously talk about Dota and you want to cast like spells and like manage your cooldowns anonymously, I've got a place where we can kind of get into that. So there's that. There's also a form up here to import a view key with the wallet birthday. It'll add a view key. I haven't done much with view keys in Light Wallet. No guarantee this works. I don't have a ton of view keys, so help me test this. I'm only going to build this for Windows because I don't have a Mac and I'm lazy. And you should audit the code and build it yourself because you're a wonderful developer or a great soul. That's more or less it. Like, every address in your wallet becomes a thread. Its transactions get ordered here in chronological order. And, hey, look, it looks like this is actually here in the transactions. You can add posts. This wires into your wallet and actually sends the transaction. And this currently isn't set to discriminate at all against size, right? This is every transaction. I think a cool feature, and probably something really interesting in terms of the incentives of... what's the word I'm looking for? I think it'd be really cool to have a slider bar that's like a threshold where if people pay more, they have more amplification. If people pay less, they're filtered out more easily as you drag this threshold slider bar. I think it's pretty cool. Remember that this is pretty much in theory pretty uncensorable. You can say pretty much everything and it'll be here forever. So do it at your own risk. Anyway, that's what I made. I will link the GitHub. I've been enjoying it. I hope you all have a stellar day. Later.